When selecting pool chemicals, there are many types of chlorine to choose from in both liquid, powder, and tablet form. With a little bit of knowledge, you can make the right decision for your pool. Sodium hypochlorite is a liquid. The product has a short shelf life and will need to be used as soon as possible. It's also important to note that it will raise the pH of your water. Calcium hypochlorite comes in a powder form. It is a stronger chemical, and in warm waters it will cloud the water. If the water is colder, it will not only add chlorine, it will boost the calcium level in the pool. In many warmer areas, customers use calcium hypochlorite in the winter and trichlor in the summer. Trichlor comes in powder or tablet form. It has the highest active strength of chlorine that is readily available. It has a long shelf life and can be stored for an extended period of time. In addition to adding chlorine to the pool, it also has the added benefit of lowering the pH of the water. For more on pool maintenance and proper chemical use, visit hdsupply.com/pools.